Hola, amigos. So today I'd like to go over the verb ir with you. Ir is a very useful verb to talk about what we're going to do, and so it's very important to study it. Ir means to go. This is an irregular verb, meaning that it has its own set of conjugations. Let's take a look at it. Ir, to go. Okay, so here are the 6 different conjugations for ir. Here's the yo form: I go, you go, he goes, she goes, you go formally. We go, y'all go, they go, those girls go, you guys go. Okay, so it's going to be the conjugations are voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So I use the future, I use ir to talk about future events. Ir plus a plus infinitive. Infinitive means the verb isn't conjugated. So I want to say something like this. I could say, I'm going to write a letter. Voy a escribir una carta. I got the verb ir plus the preposition a plus escribir, the verb in the infinitive. I'm going to write a letter. Okay. My friend is going to study. Notice how ir changes here depending on the subject. Mi amigo va a estudiar. Still got ir plus a plus infinitive. That's how I form these sentences. Everyone is going to play football. My subject is everyone. Todos. Plural. Todos van a jugar football. Okay, so let's take a look at some problems. And so I'm going to post this slide for you guys to do independently, and we'll work on it in class on Tuesday. Yo blank a trabajar in McDonald's. How do you conjugate ir here? Number 2. Tú blank a estudiar español. You are going to study Spanish. 3. Miguel blank a correr este fin de semana. Miguel is going to run this weekend. 4. You are going to dance on Saturday. Usted blank a bailar el sábado. So I want you guys to think about how you would conjugate ir in this case. Maria and Josefina are going to walk in the park. Maria y Josefina blank caminar en el parque. 6. Pedro y yo blank hablar por teléfono. Okay, so I want you guys to try to conjugate ir here and put them in the sentences. Again, I will post a hard copy of this so you guys can go back in and study that. And we're going to go over this in class on Tuesday. Okay, here are some questions that we're going to work on in the Spanish Cafe this week. We're going to be talking about these things that we're going to do in the future. Number 1, ¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana? What are you going to do this weekend? And I'm going to go ahead and give you one example for me. Question, ¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana? What are you going to do this weekend? And my answer, Yo voy a estudiar español. Okay, I changed the verb. And my action is I'm going to study. Voy a estudiar. Okay, and the next question. ¿A dónde vas después de escuela hoy? Okay, it's a little different type of question, but still using the verb ir. Where are you going after school today? ¿A dónde vas después de escuela hoy? Where are you going after school today? And my answer is, Yo voy a mi casa. I'm going to my house. It's another way I can use the verb ir. Okay, a quick introduction of the verb ir. I want you guys to study this. I want you to practice it. I want you to print out the hard copy and make sure you know how to use that. This is what we're going to be using this week. Adios.